Okay guys, this video is going to show you how to take the STAR test correctly, and what you have to do then is use the Renaissance Learning app. Now, depending on the class you're in, the app may be way at the bottom or at the top or in the middle, but you look for the same thing. You look for that R, okay? You click on it, and it's going to log you in. It'll open up another window. Okay, now here's a problem. Some of you might click on it and you say, happy, I don't see what I did. I don't see what I did. I don't see a window. What you got to do then, if you're using a Chromebook or any other PC, the idea is the same. Look at the dock, and if you're using Chrome, like in this case I am, you look for the second window. Here's what I'm looking at, but here's the second window that I need to see. Okay, now I realize some of you put the dock on the side for Chromebooks. That's fine. Okay, so it's there. Okay, don't panic. You did do the right thing. But let me just show you again. Don't click this. You already launched the app. Okay, so second app. Here you go. Now let's just pretend you have to take the STAR reading test. Okay, you click on that. You click the class that you're in, and again, let's just pretend it's me, right? This is period 3. It's my math class, but for whatever reason, I'm giving you the English test just because I'm cool that way. You click next. Now, when you take it with your teacher, you click on that teacher's class, not mine, okay? Just fair warning. And then you enter the password. The teacher will tell you what it is. Spelling matters, so take your time and spell it right. Okay. Now, it doesn't matter if it's English or it's math or whatever, the idea is the same. You're going to choose the appropriate answer. It's all multiple choice. Or sometimes you might have to write the answer in. I'm not going to tell you, just letting you know. Now, this is a computer adaptive test, meaning there are going to be, I know for the math there are 35 questions. Now, I don't know about the reading, how many questions there are, but it's going to range from very simple, like maybe first grade reading, first grade math, to harder math, like maybe high school level, all right? So don't panic. If you see something that you don't understand, don't panic. This is just an assessment. We want to know where you are at, okay? So if you do really well, maybe you might be recommended for an advanced class. If you do really badly, that just means you need more intervention, maybe more tutoring. We'll do whatever it takes to get you to where you need to be, okay? So don't panic. It's just an assessment. Now, by the way, you see that timer? Oh, there you go. If you take too long, it's going to skip the question for you, okay? Now, as you're taking this test, if you have to go to the bathroom, you go ahead and stop the test, click this, and then, well, you're going to have to stop the test, right? But sometimes you'll have an option of resuming the test for later, okay? So if you're going to come back, like just go to the bathroom, just click resume later, right? But if you're done for the period and you have to go, and you want to finish it later, just click stop test, and again, you enter the password again to make sure that it really is you making the request and not someone playing a prank on you. And the test is over. Okay. But now what? So you guys, you can just close this. Now, if you're going to go back later to retake the test, again, find the app, click on it, and that window should open up again. And if you want to continue it, let's see what happens. Click on Start Reading. Find the class that you're in. Now, I have a feeling that since we only did a few problems, it's going to start over. Okay? I could be wrong. Let's find out right now. And again, you put in the password. Again, your teacher will tell you what the password is. Okay. Now, this is just a practice, so I guess we start it over. You click the stop test again. Well, just keep going. Keep going. It shouldn't take more than, it ranges from 25 to 45 minutes. You guys can do it within a class period. Don't panic. So this is just a practice, get you going with the process. When you actually start the real test, the real assessment, you'll get an option to, like I said, when I click stop test, you'll get the option to resume later. Okay, so when you stop it, it'll save wherever you stopped, so that when you start again later, you can start again at where you stopped. So let me explain that again. I realize I said it kind of fast. This is just a practice. If you stop the practice, you start over. Okay? And once you start the actual assessment, you'll know when you start. It'll say, would you like to start the assessment? Or something like that. Just use your reading skills. You can see what's in front of you. It's no trick. And I see, again, don't forget there's always a timer for these questions. You don't have all day. Doesn't mean anything. All right. Stop test. But when you're actually taking the test, if you have to stop because you have to go to the bathroom, click stop test and then click resume later. Okay? So you can start it again at a later time when you come back. Okay? If you just click stop test twice, it won't save anything. And then you have to start all over. And you don't want to do that. Okay? I hope this helped. Good luck. Oh, I forgot to add the password. So he won't even let you log out unless you put in the password. So I forgot about this last step. Now, just be aware, what I'm saying to you might be different for you, okay? So just keep that in mind. But you have the general idea now how to sign in, how to take this quiz, okay?